So hey there everyone, and welcome to the channel. As always, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. My name is Rich, I'm the channel host, and normally we're talking about drones and mobile tech, building your small drone business, or maybe even your large drone business. Today I wanted to do some experimentation with what's on my chest here, which is the Wireless Go 2. I've been using the Wireless Go 2 for basically a year now, I believe, and I've been using it for a lot of the recordings on the YouTube channel and also on my class channels. Right now, today, I wanted to take the transmitter outside, so I'm wearing the Wireless Go 2's transmitter, and not only is it a transmitter, but it's also a recorder. Now, what you're listening to right now is being recorded from a Hero 10, so one of the GoPros, and so we're utilizing the internal microphone on it, but I'm also doing this recording with the Wireless Go 2 so that we can compare the audio quality. Of course, these action cameras are more about capturing the action. You know, you're mountain biking, kayaking, canoeing, whatever you're out doing, the action cameras are more about that and showing some really great video from your fun times. But we're going to be using this camera for some other things. We're going to use it to start helping us document some of the job sites we do and add to our YouTube channel here and also to the class channels. So we're going to bounce back and forth here, and I'm going to let you know down on the screen. We'll have notes down on the screen letting you know when we're going from one audio style to the other audio style. Now, once I've wrapped up outside, I'm going to be bringing this back inside into this office. And in the office, what we're going to do is we're going to hook up the Wireless Go 2 to the receiver, and we'll be recording the audio directly onto OBS. So when we get into OBS, we're going to hear some heavy echo at first, and then we're also going to work that echo out. We've got a plug-in for Final Cut Pro that allows us to get rid of a lot of in-room echo. It does give some digital artifacts though. So today it's mostly about the Wireless Go 2 and trying to bring you the best audio quality we can. And so we're going to have this comparison. We're going to hear from the onboard mic of the GoPro. We're going to hear from the transmitter and recorder once we're back inside, and then we're going to hear from things from what's called Crumplepop, which is the audio enhancement tool that I use to get rid of some of the echo in the studio. So with all that said, we're going to shut this one down here, and we're going to take things inside into the studio, and we'll be recording directly to OBS, like I said. So we'll hear the differences when we put Crumplepop on and when we take Crumplepop off as well. So the whole reason I'm doing this is because I'm trying to find the best way to enhance our viewers' experience here. And one of the big things is always about audio quality. So now that I've stayed really still for a while, I'm going to turn both of these things off, and I'm going to swat the flies that keep attacking me while we're trying to do this video. So hey there everybody, we're back inside, and if you can't tell, changed shirts, added the hat. So some time has passed from the first recording outside with the Hero 10, and now here we are on the Mac Studio doing the inside recording. So at the moment, the recording is coming from the transmitter here, going to the Rode receiver, and you're getting to hear everything. And we haven't done anything to update it yet to get the audio quality a little better. So what we're hearing in here is the echo of this room. I wish that we could put up some sound dampening materials in here. This is a rental, so I don't want to go altering the walls or anything. So we try our best here to get a good audio quality, and one of the things that we found months and months ago was a plugin called Crumplepop. Now that plugin allows us to clean up some of that echo, but it also leaves a little bit of digital artifacting. So let's go ahead and switch to Crumplepop now, and let's see if you hear the difference. So now that I've applied Crumplepop to the audio file, we should have a lot of that echo gone. But in its place, there might be a little digital artifacting here and there. Combine that with the fact that I'm recording this in July in northern Arizona, very hot time of year, and we don't have an air conditioner here. We have what's called a swamp cooler. So it's a very noisy mechanism to help keep the house temperatures a little cooler, but never seems to keep them cool enough. And it's much louder than your standard air conditioner at this point in time. So we might pick up a little bit of that background noise as well. So Crumplepop is doing the best job it can, and hopefully the audio quality is passable for you, the audience. Let's go ahead and switch back to the echoey version really quick, just so you can hear it again. So I've experimented over time with the background noise and with the echo, and I have found that Crumplepop's just hands down the best way to do this. So also I wanted to talk a little bit more about, what's on me here, the Rode Wireless Go 2. So we've been using this for over a year here on channel now, and it's been a fantastic setup. I use it when we're in studio for the audio recording. That way I don't have a big boom mic coming in here or anything, although I do have one, and occasionally I've wondered maybe with Crumplepop we could enhance things a little bit more, but I really do think the Wireless Go 2 does a great job. Also, we use the Wireless Go 2 in outdoor settings as well. We'll mount it on the Canon M50. We'll mount it with an iPhone and connect it to the iPhone. And the distance on this is fantastic. I cannot say enough good things about the Wireless Go 2 system from Rode. So after using it for over a year now, I'm very, very happy with the purchase, and it's been incorporated into our business beyond just working in the studio. So if you're looking for a wireless solution for your recording, whether it's outdoors or indoors, it might be worth investigating the Rode Wireless Go 2. All right, everyone, we're going to wrap this one up. We wanted to keep it short, but I just wanted you to hear the differences in the audio quality. And please, down in the comments below, feel free to let me know what you think about it, and if you think that further improvements should be on their way, and we'll see what we can do about it. And sorry for the weird screen off into infinity, but I wanted OBS up on screen so that you could see the audio mixer, you could see how the audio is coming in. And once again, this is all coming, sitting right here on the wireless one. Now, one of the nice things, if I get up and I walk away, the audio is not going to change. It might change a little bit of the echo in this room, but I can actually walk out into the living room, the kitchen, and continue doing the audio recording. So the Wireless Go 2 does have some really great distance. And so if you're doing things outdoors, this might be a great setup to enhance the audio quality. Don't forget, the Wireless Go 2 also has a second transmitter and receiver. So in theory, you could do interviews with people, you could be out on scene and have your drone operator talking through something, and maybe the visual observer talking through something, and all that's going to get captured back on the camera thanks to the Wireless Go 2 setup. All right, everyone, hope you have a great rest of the week. We'll see you on channel again real soon, and be sure to like and subscribe down below if you found this one informative and useful to you. See you again real soon.